Go.
Hello guys, this is me, Simba Jumutero. We got some water, my dad's plates, and some Skittles. First, we should put some Skittles around the plates. Remember. First, we have to put the Skittles on, and then the water. It will take a minute. It will take a while. We didn't brought this plate. I just washed this plate and then I get the Skittles and Daddy bring me some water. Then I started. Take the hair off. Almost there. Don't worry. It's this plate a little bit big, but it's alright. Almost. Almost, just one more. There. Now we put some water on it. Then we have to wait for a few seconds. The color. Look at the color, Daddy.
Whoa! It's making a rainbow.
Yeah, it is making a rainbow.
Almost there.
It might take a little while.
No, it's almost there.
Oh!
Maybe you should close your eye.
Are you ready?
No, it's taking so slow.
Wow! It's good. Should we put one more Skittle on it?
In the middle?
Yeah.
Sure.
Wow! It looks amazing! Can we show Mommy a picture?
Sure. You gotta say bye to the camera.
Bye. I will make more scientists tomorrow.